Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to make DIY or do-it-yourself dishwashing liquid. So we'll be needing 1 pack or 6 liter of concentrated dishwashing liquid, 6 empty clean 1 liter bottles, and a pail with 5 liters water. Okay, let's start. Let's pour or ibuhos on 1 pack 6 liter concentrated dishwashing liquid and then mix it very well until you reach its consistency. It should be not too runny and not too thick. That's it. Nice scent too, fresh antibac. After 2 to 3 hours, we can now transfer the dishwashing liquid into the bottles through this way or the other way using a funnel or embudo in Tagalog. So 1 pack of 6 liters concentrated dishwashing liquid produced also 6 1-liter bottles. And now let's put the stickers. And there you go, our finished product, DIY dishwashing liquid. Thanks for watching.